Hey guys, and welcome back to the kitchen. So today I am going to be cooking this chicken breast, and it's stuffed with a dressing and cranberries. I got this from the Aldi's dumpster, and so today I'm going to go ahead and cook that off. So I'm going to open this package up. I'll be using my Oyster oven on air roast today. And let's see how delicious it's going to be. Hey guys, so I put it in my Oyster oven. I have it set on 400 on air roast, and I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. It's supposed to be 8 minutes in the oven, but since we have on air roast, it may cook a little faster. And we'll check it in 10 minutes and see what it looks like. Alright guys, we've taken this chicken out of the Oyster. Go ahead and take it up off of here. Oh, that smells delicious. Alright. So, I'm gonna turn this around. Ooh, I can see the dressing right there. Oh yeah, that looks nice. All right, we're gonna cut this in half and then check it out, see what it looks like inside. Ooh, look at all that delicious stuffing. Oh my goodness, y'all see that? That looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. And all that stuffing right there. It has stuffing and cranberries in there. Look at that. Oh, guys, y'all can smell how it smells in here. And go ahead and cut this up. All right, guys, here is, I need some parsley on there. I gotta get some parsley. Where's my parsley hiding? Okay. I'll just sprinkle a little parsley on there. And look at that, guys. That is beautiful. This is the chicken breast, and it is stuffed with dressing and cranberries. And we're gonna wait on these roasted potatoes, and I'll show you all of this together.